Imagine an AI that can converse with you in real time, solve complex equations, translate languages instantly, and generate insightful visual data. That's not a sci-fi movie plot. That's GPT-4o. Welcome to a new era of artificial intelligence, enriched with speed, performance, and versatility. GPT-4o, the latest brainchild of OpenAI, is not just another AI, it's a game changer. With capabilities spanning across text, vision, and audio, it's set to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Whether it's real-time conversation, code interpretation, problem solving, or data visualization, GPT-4o is up to the task. And it's not just about its abilities, it's about the collaborative efforts behind it. The tireless work of the OpenAI team, coupled with the support from Janssen and NVIDIA, has made this technological marvel possible. So buckle up as we venture into the world of GPT-4o, where AI is not just smart, it's brilliant. Welcome to the future of AI, GPT-4o. Ever wished for an AI that could keep up with your pace of conversation? Well, GPT-4o makes that a reality. Picture this. You're engaged in a lively conversation, your thoughts flowing freely, each word effortlessly leading to the next. Now, imagine having the same experience with an artificial intelligence. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But that's exactly what GPT-4o brings to the table. GPT-4o's real-time conversational speech capabilities are simply groundbreaking. It listens, it understands, and it responds, all in the blink of an eye. Just like a human conversational partner, but without the annoying interruptions or the need for a coffee break. This isn't just about speed, though. GPT-4o also enhances the flow of dialogue. It can pick up on the nuances in your speech, understand the context, and respond in a way that's relevant and meaningful. It's like having a conversation with a well-informed friend who's always ready with a witty comeback or a thoughtful insight. And it's not just about responding to what you say. GPT-4o can also initiate conversations, ask questions, and make observations, just like a human would. It's like having a conversation with someone who's genuinely interested in what you have to say and eager to contribute their own thoughts and ideas. But that's not all. GPT-4o also comes with voice modulation features, which means it can adapt its tone and delivery to match the mood of the conversation. Whether you're discussing the latest scientific breakthroughs or simply sharing a funny anecdote, GPT-4o can modulate its voice to suit the context. And let's not forget about emotion recognition. GPT-4o can pick up on the emotional cues in your voice and respond accordingly. If you're excited, it can match your enthusiasm. If you're upset, it can offer words of comfort. It's like having a conversation with someone who truly understands how you're feeling and knows just what to say. With GPT-4o, the future of seamless AI-human communication is here. Language barriers, a thing of the past with GPT-4o. Imagine a world where language is no longer a hindrance, but rather a bridge connecting people from diverse cultures and backgrounds. That's the world GPT-4o is creating. GPT-4o boasts impressive translation capabilities, a result of the tireless efforts of the OpenAI team and their partners. This AI model is not just any regular translator. It's a multilingual whiz, capable of real-time language translation between different languages. Whether it's Mandarin to English, Spanish to French, or Swahili to Russian, GPT-4o has got you covered. What sets GPT-4o apart? It's not just about translating words from one language to another. GPT-4o is designed to understand the context, the nuances, the cultural references, and idiomatic expressions that are inherent in every language. It's about preserving the essence of the original text, ensuring the translation is as accurate and authentic as possible. But it's not just the written word GPT-4o excels at translating. It's also adept at voice translation. This means that GPT-4o can translate spoken language in real time. Imagine being in a foreign country, not knowing the language, and having GPT-4o as your personal interpreter. It's like having a universal language translator right in your pocket. Moreover, GPT-4o's translation capabilities extend beyond just personal use. It can be a game changer for businesses operating in a global market. With GPT-4o, businesses can communicate effectively with their international customers, breaking down language barriers and fostering better relationships. Math problems got you pulling your hair out? GPT-4o to the rescue. Imagine a world where complex mathematical equations are no longer a barrier, but a bridge to understanding. This is the reality with GPT-4o, OpenAI's latest model. Its mathematical prowess is truly awe-inspiring. Whether you're grappling with algebraic expressions, tangling with trigonometric functions, or wrestling with calculus, GPT-4o is your trusted ally. Let's delve a little deeper. You might be wondering, how does GPT-4o actually assist in solving these problems? Well, it all starts with a user inputting their mathematical dilemma. GPT-4o then harnesses its advanced algorithms to process the input, identify the problem at hand, and then generate a solution. It's as simple as that, but here's the real magic. GPT-4o doesn't just spit out an answer, it explains its workings, step by step. So not only does it solve the problem, but it also teaches you how to solve it. It's like having a personal math tutor at your disposal, 24/7. And this isn't just limited to number crunching. GPT-4o exhibits an impressive ability to understand and interpret mathematical concepts and principles. It can explain Pythagorean theorem as easily as it can solve a quadratic equation. It's not just a calculator, it's a mathematical mentor. This capability is not just a boon for students, but also for professionals who work with complex mathematical models and data. GPT-4o can help them streamline their work, enhance their efficiency, and explore new avenues of problem solving. Now, remember those hair-pulling moments over cryptic math problems? With GPT-4o, they're a thing of the past. Whether you're a math enthusiast, a puzzled student, or a professional in need of a quick solution, GPT-4o is here to help. So, here's to the joy of understanding, the thrill of problem solving, and the magic of learning. Here's to a future where mathematical problems are no longer obstacles but stepping stones to knowledge. Complex equations simplified with GPT-4o. Data is just numbers without the right interpretation. GPT-4o brings your data to life. Imagine a world where data is not a complex jumble of numbers and figures, but a dynamic, vibrant, and interactive visual experience. That's exactly what GPT-4o offers. With its advanced data visualization capabilities, GPT-4o can translate your raw data into meaningful and easy-to-understand visuals. Let's say you've got a massive spreadsheet filled with sales data from the past 5 years. Instead of spending hours trying to make sense of it, why not let GPT-4o do the heavy lifting? With just a simple command, GPT-4o can generate a variety of plots, graphs, and charts, giving you a clear snapshot of your sales performance over time. But it doesn't stop there. GPT-4o goes beyond just producing visuals. It can also provide valuable insights based on your data. For instance, it can pinpoint trends, identify patterns, and highlight potential areas of concern or opportunity. This can be particularly useful for decision-making, as it allows you to make informed choices based on actual data, not just gut feelings. And the best part? You don't need to be a data scientist or a statistician to get the most out of GPT-4o. Its intuitive and user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to generate visuals and gain insights, regardless of their technical background. So whether you're a business owner looking to understand your sales trends, a researcher trying to visualize your latest findings, or a student working on a data-intensive project, GPT-4o can be your go-to tool for data visualization. With GPT-4o, data is no longer a daunting challenge, but an exciting opportunity to gain knowledge and insights. It's time to stop wrestling with spreadsheets and start exploring the beauty of data visualization. Transform your data into insightful visuals with GPT-4o. Stuck with a coding problem? GPT-4o is your new coding buddy. In the realm of programming, understanding and interpreting code is as essential as writing it. Whether you're a seasoned developer or dipping your toes into the coding world, GPT-4o is here to help. Imagine you're looking at a piece of code, and it's as cryptic as hieroglyphics. Simply ask GPT-4o to explain it to you. It's like having your personal code interpreter who can break down complex pieces of code into understandable language. It understands a multitude of programming languages, from Python to JavaScript, C# to Ruby, and everything in between. Now, let's talk about debugging. Debugging is a critical aspect of coding, and it can be a time-consuming process. With GPT-4o, you'll have a powerful assistant who can pinpoint the bugs in your code and suggest fixes. It's like having a seasoned developer looking over your shoulder, guiding you through the debugging process. But GPT-4o is not just for problem solving. It's also a great tool for learning. If you're just starting your coding journey, you can use GPT-4o to understand fundamental coding principles and practices. It can assist you with examples, explanations, and even guide you through creating your first lines of code. GPT-4o is also handy for experienced developers who are working with new languages or technologies. It can provide insights into unfamiliar coding structures and practices, helping you to quickly get up to speed. It's important to note that GPT-4o is not replacing programmers. It is a tool designed to assist, to make coding more accessible and efficient. It's the latest example of how artificial intelligence can work hand in hand with human intelligence to achieve remarkable results. So whether you're stuck on a coding problem, want to understand a complex piece of code, or looking to learn a new programming language, GPT-4o is there to help. It's a powerful tool that brings together the vast knowledge of coding principles and practices, making it accessible to anyone, anywhere. The unveiling of GPT-4o signifies a major breakthrough in our interaction with technology. It's not merely an upgrade, but a fundamental shift in the conceptual model. This technology allows us to build narratives, solve intricate equations, derive data insights with simple commands. The capabilities of the GPT-4o universe are boundless. Beyond functionalities, GPT-4o also focuses on fostering a smooth, human-like connection. It's designed with real-time conversational speech, allowing it to comprehend, respond, and adapt to user needs. Its features such as voice modulation and emotion recognition make it more of an interactive partner than just a responsive system. The versatility of GPT-4o shouldn't be overlooked. From deciphering coding languages to translating human languages in real time, GPT-4o offers an all-in-one solution, akin to having a personal assistant, a language translator, and a coding expert, all wrapped into one. Thanks for tuning in to our channel today. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Don't forget to pass this video along. Sharing is easy, and it helps our channel grow. Share it with anyone you think might enjoy it. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep creating more awesome content for you. Together, let's grow this community and make a positive impact. See you in the next video.